the mirror, I'm not too hard to do. I got the superstar glow, so ooh.